Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to withdraw money from Degiro. So just a quick reminder, there's only one withdrawal option in Degiro and it is only bank transfers. You can see you can use only bank transfers to withdraw funds. So let us begin on how to withdraw your money from Degiro. So first, what you want to do is make sure that you have an account, of course, and then once you're done with that, what you want to do now is click the deposit or withdraw funds button and select the withdrawal tab, and then select the appropriate Degiro account and bank account for the transaction, and then enter the amount and a description, and then lastly click on transfer. So as you can see, this is what the withdrawal option will look like. So just enter your amount here, the description, your bank details right here from and to, and then just click on withdrawal, and then you are done. So yeah, so it will take at least 1 day to get your money from Degiro. And the good thing about Degiro is it charges $0 for basic withdrawals. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to withdraw your money from Degiro. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.